Now on the 7th of November 2014, and well, he's finally done it, or at least tried to go some way to doing it, with unanimous agreement. ECB's Draghi commits €1 trillion of liquidity injection. I'm going to be talking about that. I'm going to be talking in this briefing about what that means for something that we've discussed with all of you in detail, which is the Eurozone deflation risk and what's happened to the Eurozone balance sheets. You can see this chart on the bottom left that we've included in our previous lectures to you about how the Euro area balance sheet has been impacted by the repayment of the LTROs. We'll be talking about whether Draghi has now done enough. Obviously, we'll also be discussing El Gordo today, the fat one, non-farm payrolls, expected to be, well, consensus range is 200,000 to 282,000, which is a pretty wide consensus range actually, and shows perhaps the lack of conviction on a set number for this data. But I think overwhelmingly most analysts and traders expect this data to be either in line or better than expected. The surprise will be to the upside, most likely. Having a look across the currencies, obviously we had a huge move in the euro yesterday as we got confirmation from Draghi of their, if you like, the main core being we want our balance sheet to go back to 2012 levels. So the euro coming under pressure, perhaps not as much though as the Russian ruble here. And if you want to see a currency that's falling off a cliff, then here it is. Look at that. Even, and this is a day, actually there you can see my live trades on the ruble when we had the rumors that they would be injecting or interfering, I should say, within the market, actually purchasing rubles to stop this slide. They then hiked interest rates by 150 bips, which was actually a key to sell, because even though it's an interest rate hike, it wasn't the market interference that was potentially expected. So big moves on the ruble. Over the last 4 days, this is almost as much as the move that's taken 2 months. So I'll be talking about that a bit later on as well as looking at stocks ahead of key data for non-farm payrolls.
And as ever, if you'd like to get access to the full briefing, then click on the link to check out the Amplify-Live service. Thanks.